today I'm in Bangkok on this really crazy, leaning younger street, like an East Asian style walking street. Think like Ximending in Taiwan. And we're right behind Siam Square. It's crazy, it's loud. A lot of people. It's young. So kind of has like a Hongdae vibe, like if you've been to South Korea or Seoul. Yeah, kind of incorporated a lot of those design elements into it for sure. And it definitely leans younger, yeah, for sure. Well, it seems like this is the main drag here, and then there's like little side streets, so. Music blaring, and it is intense. I'm not really sure if it's copywritten or not, so I guess we'll find out. So I'm here in the late afternoon, so the sun's about to set. My guess is that this area is gonna be pretty awesome at night. Oh, look at this little street over here. This is like a side street, but it seems to have way more stuff. Let's see what we can get into. Could use a drink too. It's just a lot of crazy. I smell tea. Wow. There is a lot going on, like a lot. I guess this is like the entrance from the BTS side if you don't walk through Siam Square. Right? Like, it definitely feels like you've been transported to East Asia. I mean, it's got a lot of those, you know, like even a little Japan vibes going on, so it's interesting. A lot of like little fashion boutiques and clothing stores. I mean, I feel like the way people are dressing and the style is slightly tweaked too to be more of that East Asian, maybe like Korean fashion or something like that. It's like I'm not even in Bangkok right now. It's nuts. that this whole street is gonna end up like with a bunch of street performers once the sun goes down. Yeah, so this is Siam Square. That's where I actually came from. And that's where you'd go to get back to the BTS. I don't know what that is, but it's pretty good. Section here. All right, like this is just like in your face. It's crazy. There's a lot to see, there's a lot going on. It's like an assault on your senses, but definitely for like the younger folk, you know, again, like that Hongdae, Simending, you know, Shibuya vibe, Harajuku. No, not that, but you know, it has some interesting stuff going on. It's like a mixture of a bunch of East Asian things and like vibes, and I don't know. Yeah. I definitely don't feel like I'm in Thailand right now. Somehow ended up in like a clothing market. I mean, there's a band back there playing, which is pretty cool. Hopefully it's their own music. Interesting stuff here. It's definitely vibey. Alright, we're gonna tuck into Siam Square right now. I'm a little lost. No. Wow, there's just like a ton of things. I mean, like never ending. Like shoes for days. Oh, if you're a girl. Seems like a lot of like, I don't know, like fast fashion, you know, like H&M kind of stuff, where it's like it's cheap, you just buy it, wear it for a bit, and toss it. It's over here. I don't know. I am lost. I don't know which. I think the BTS is this way, but there's like a wall there, so maybe I gotta go up one. food choices going on here. Let's go out. Oh, I think. I feel like I'm twice everyone's age here. But if you're younger, I mean, you probably want to hang out here. Alright. I'm gonna figure it out. Whoa, what was that? Okay, we're definitely going down here. Where am I? It's like just like some street food stalls set up back here. Wow. Look at this! This is crazy. Wow, wow, wow. Like the random things you discover, right? You just like, where is, like, what is this? It's very cool. Alright, let's see if I can figure out where oh, okay. I kind of figured it out. I was over there earlier in the video. So BTS should be over there. And the BTS is like the, it's like the metro, like above ground in Bangkok. Basically hits like all the malls, but wow, look at this street right now with the lighting. It's pretty cool. Makes you wonder. It's time to get some air conditioning. Oh, look at this giant ramen joint right there. It's very like Osaka style. Or actually like a lot of different parts in Japan look like that. But it's kind of interesting that I picked this place to go check out. Kind of alluded to it in another video, but the plan is from Bangkok, because Japan is opening soon. Well, by the time you watch this video, it would be open. But the plan is to hit Tokyo, so getting a little primer here. Gonna check out Tokyo and maybe some cities in the south in Japan. So pretty excited about that. And dodging people, it's like a sport, you know. So anyways, thank you for joining me for this video in the like East Asian walking street behind Siam Square. And yeah, it's good stuff. I would check it out if you're in the Siam area, because there's like a mega mall over there. It's just really close, so you can kind of get the whole area in a quick afternoon or something. And there's like restaurants around here too if you're curious. So